Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel Pipasa Pathshala. Today we will write an English essay on spring season. Spring season, Basanta Rutu. There are 6 seasons in a year. ବର୍ଷକ 6 ଋତୁ ଅଟେ. From all these seasons, spring season is my favorite. ଏସବୁ ଋତୁଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବସନ୍ତ ଋତୁ ମୋର ପ୍ରିୟ ଅଟେ. It comes after winter. ଶୀତ ଋତୁ ପରେ ଏହାର ଆଗମନ ହୋଇଥାଏ. It is the most awaited season by everyone. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକଙ୍କର ଏହା ବହୁ ପ୍ରତୀକ୍ଷିତ ଋତୁ ଅଟେ. The nature looks very attractive in this season. ପ୍ରକୃତି ଏହି ଋତୁରେ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଅଟେ. The trees and grass look greener. ଗଛ ଏବଂ ଘାସ ଆଦି ସବୁଜମୟ ଦେଖାଯାଆନ୍ତି. It is the season plants bear fruits and flowers bloom. ଏହି ଋତୁରେ ଗଛଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଫଳ ପୁଷ୍ପ ଧାରଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତି. In this season, it is not as hot as summer or as cold as winter. ଏହି ଋତୁ ଗ୍ରୀଷ୍ମ ଋତୁ ପରି ଉଷ୍ମ କିମ୍ବା ଶୀତ ଋତୁ ପରି ଶୀତଳ ହୋଇନଥାଏ. Everyone feels fresh and happy in this time. ଏହି ସମୟରେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ସତେଜ ଏବଂ ଖୁସି ଅନୁଭବ କରନ୍ତି. Spring season is the king of all seasons. ଋତୁମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବସନ୍ତ ଋତୁ ରାଜା ଅଟେ. This is all about the essay Spring season. Thank you.